Good morning, this is Pootam Dharade from Fundamental Desk. I will take you through the market commentary today. US markets ended higher due to the market-friendly move by US Fed last week. The Fed's decision to cut the rate number of expected rate hikes this year to 2 was among several recent measures by central banks to support growth and calm down the global financial turmoil. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 21.57 points to 17,623, and the Nasdaq Composite Index closed 13.23 points up to 4,808. Asian markets, for the reason, slipped on Tuesday as hawkish comments from the US Federal Reserve official clouded the monetary policy outlook less than a week after Fed Chair Janet Yellen had set out a more cautious path to the interest rate increase this year. Nikkei is trading higher 336 points to 17,061. Hang Seng was in a negative by 33.49 points to close at 20,650. SGX Nifty is trading positive with 0.05% and was trading at 7,715. So Indian markets are expected to open in green, as the Asian markets are slightly positive. We had a call on yesterday on Persistent Technologies and IBM deal. So Persistent Technology holded an investor call to share the details of the deal. So the deal is majorly focused on Internet of Things and next generation software driven products and services. The company has aligned its business under Digital, IBM Alliance, Agile Services and Accelerate. IBM deal's key milestone in IoT and next generation offerings focuses on investments in IBM platform, preference alliance with IBM in offering software driven solution. Deal has potential to drive investment incremental revenue of 15 to 20% at USD 15 to 70 million over FY16 revenue in the first year of this deal. The deal would involve investments and impact margins by 200 to 250 bips per annum in the first 2 years. We believe this investment will be remunerative in the long run and scale its IoT offerings. Also, Persistent has multiple other levers to support the margins. So we recommend a hold on Persistent given the recent stock price appreciation. Stock price appreciation by 5% downside. So the stock is trading at around 700 now, and our target is 740. So we recommend a hold on Persistent Technology as the new development of Persistent IBM deal give its a potential upside in its revenue. Thank you.